What's going on, everybody? Welcome to this quick unboxing of the DJI Mini 2. Yep, they've dropped the Mavic name from the box, as you can see. So the DJI Mavic 1 was out a couple of years back, and just a few months ago the DJI Mini 2 was released. So this will just be an unboxing. You can catch my first flight with the DJI Mini 2 on the channel. Link will be in description, and I'll soon to be doing a full review of the drone itself. So, don't want to break down the fourth wall too much, but I have opened this box already. But for dramatic purposes, let's get this box open. And in the background there, you can just see what's up Grogu, shout out Mandalorian, hashtag Star Wars, hashtag the best. So in the box, again, already opened, manual, paperwork, don't need it. Oh, I should also mention in the box, obviously you get your charging cable with the Mini USB-C connector. Scrap that, USB-C connector, not Mini USB, that's the Mavic 1. The Mini 1, sorry, the Mini 2 USB-C connector. Okay, so I opted for the Flymore kit, which gives you some extra stuff. It was £548 on Amazon, link will be in description, and after my first flight I can already say well worth the money. You can purchase just the drone and one battery for £390 I believe, or maybe 430 on Amazon. So what do you get in the box? First of all, when you unbox, you actually get a bag. So as part of the Flymore kit, you get a lovely bag with that kit. Now, as mentioned, it doesn't come dirty, doesn't come used. That was me earlier on today. Lots of zips on this bag. In fact, so many that I did kind of get lost a little bit, and I'll explain in a second. So let's unzip the bag, and it's all very well presented. So in the bag, let's take out this bad boy. This is the drone itself, 249 grams, which means in most countries you do not need to register the drone. But again, I'll go more detail in the full review. 4K camera, 24, 25 and 30 frames per second. 4K, 60 frames at 1080p if you are that way inclined. Also included with the drone, no matter which kit you get, is the propeller protector. New for DJI and very much needed. Easy, just unpin it and that will release the propellers. I'll set that to the side just now. Also in the box, new for the Mini 2, is this new remote control. This new remote control is heavier than the actual drone itself, but that's a good thing. It feels really sturdy, and no longer do you have the pop out arms at the bottom to hold your mobile phone. The mobile phone actually goes to the top, which makes more sense. Of course it does. Whenever you've got a remote control or you're looking at a screen, it's always at the top. So it's spring loaded and it will suit any phone that you have, because it comes with the connector. So the connector is, for me, I've got the lightning port, but it does come with other connecting, USB-C and micro USB, that will show you in a second. At the bottom of the remote control, these actually just release, he says. Yep, so these are your triggers. So you just screw them in there, and that's, you got your left and right trigger. Handy. very handy. So that is your remote control. Again, so far you get that with the first kit. Now everything else pretty much from here is going to be the flyover kit, including the bag. You don't get the bag with just the basic kit. And here your extra batteries and the so useful battery charging pack. So again, this is where your USB-C comes in super handy, because you just charge it up that case. Now the cases themselves come with 3 batteries. They do come with 3 batteries, and there's many LEDs that will light up and tell you how much of a charge the battery has. So you can see here I have fully charged all 3 batteries. What the charger will do is prioritize. So if you put in all 3 batteries and 2 are dead and one's got some juice, it'll charge the one with some juice first and then move on to the next. Really handy, really like that. And I'm digging the colour too. Not like a cheap black look, really like it. So that is your batteries. Also, I heard something else rattling in this box, and yes, so as mentioned, these are the spare connectors or the other adapters if you don't have a Lightning iPhone. If you've got anything with a USB-C or a micro USB connector as a phone, that'll work with the remote control as well. Let's keep this train moving. Anything else in the bag? Now, this is where I got to last time, yesterday when I first unboxed it. I was like, hold on, there should be like spare things, and of course there are. You'll probably notice it straight away. It took me too long to notice it. Up here is a zip where you get your spare propellers. Now there's actually 3 sets of spare propellers, which is super handy, along with spare triggers for the what am I trying to say here? Spare triggers for the remote control and a screwdriver so you can do your propeller replacement. So yeah, super handy. Now the bag, as I mentioned, does have another zip, and that is just round the front here. Not the biggest, but would be super handy, I guess, if you're just out and about and you want to pop in maybe your mobile phone. So this is the only bag you're taking, your mobile phone can pop in there. So that is the unboxing of the DJI Mini 2. And since we're here, as an added bonus, I mean, it would be rude not to show you the drone itself, wouldn't it? So, as I mentioned, take off that protector, super handy. Now, the way you want to release the propellers themselves, or the arms of the propellers, is always top first. So the tops come out and towards the front, and then the bottom ones, or the rear, go down and out. That, ladies and gentlemen, is your Mini 2 drone. Now, size comparison. Anybody that watch my channel know that I've got the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at that. That is insane. So iPhone 12 Pro Max beside the Mini 2. The phone is way bigger than the body, even with the propellers closed. Pretty impressive. Now, I've mentioned it a few times now, so take the hint. Watch the full review that's dropping. Watch the already posted first flight with the Mini 2. I think you'll really enjoy it. It's really short. It's only a minute long, the first flight. So, yeah, watch it. Like this video, subscribe, and yeah, take care.